Welcome to today's video, where we're going to dive into a common UI problem that many developers face when working with Jetpack Compose. The issue at hand involves creating a UI similar to the Material 3 chip page, but running into difficulties with LazyVerticalStaggeredGrids and FilterChips. The problem arises from the content within the chips not being displayed correctly, causing sizing and theming inconsistencies. It's a frustrating problem, but fear not, as we have a solution at hand to tackle this head-on. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By using a FlowRow instead of a LazyVerticalStaggeredGrid, we can easily arrange our filter chips in a more flexible and visually appealing manner. The FlowRow allows us to display the chips with individual sizes, ensuring that each chip is rendered correctly without sacrificing the overall layout. This approach provides a more dynamic and seamless user interface, solving the sizing and theming issues we encountered earlier. Expanding on the solution, an efficient way to create test data for your content is by using the list function. By implementing list 41, label $, you can effortlessly generate a list of 41 different labels without the need for complex loops or manual input. This streamlined approach not only saves time, but also enhances the scalability of your code, making it easier to manage and maintain in the long run. Building upon the previous point, if you require a list of labels ranging from 10 to 50, you can utilize list 41, label $it plus 10. This simple yet effective method allows you to generate sequential labels starting from 10 up to 50 inclusively, providing a convenient way to populate your content list with minimal effort. With these strategies in place, creating and managing test data for your UI components becomes a hassle-free task, streamlining your development process significantly. In summary, we've explored a practical solution to the UI problem encountered while implementing a Material 3 chip-like interface in Jetpack Compose. By leveraging the FlowRow layout, utilizing list generation functions, and optimizing our code structure, we've overcome the sizing and theming challenges, ensuring a seamless and visually appealing user experience. I hope you found this video helpful in addressing your UI design dilemmas. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And remember, keep coding and creating amazing user interfaces. See you in the next video.